In this video, we are going to talk about how to install a MetaMask wallet on your web browser, how to add networks to your MetaMask wallet, different networks like Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, and how to actually deposit and withdraw your cryptocurrency from an exchange to a wallet, specifically MetaMask wallet. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first, what you want to do is go to your web browser and type in MetaMask extension. And click on enter. So after this, just click on this link right here which says MetaMask Chrome Web Store, and then click on add to Chrome, add extension. It's going to take a couple of seconds. You just need to wait for some time. And then you will come to this page. You just have to click on get started after this, and then you click on create a wallet. Import wallet would be if you would already have a wallet. So we are going to create a wallet. I agree. So just put in whatever password you want it to be. So this is your secret recovery phrase. This is a 12 or 15 words of recovery phrase which you need to save, because this is very important. If you lose your wallet, whatever coins and cryptocurrency you have in your wallet, you can recover the same wallet by giving this phrase, even if you forget your password. But if this phrase is not saved somewhere, then you are in big trouble. So make sure to save this recovery phrase. So I'm going to reveal my recovery phrase and then copy the recovery phrase and paste it somewhere. Just make a notepad or something and paste it right there. And then click on next. And then now you need to put in your recovery phrase right here. After you have put in your recovery phrase, you just have to click on all done, and then you are ready with your own crypto wallet. So now I'm going to show you how to add different networks to your wallet. So if you go here and click on add network, you have this option to manually add your networks too, but I'm going to tell you a very easy way in which you can add all the networks you want in the world. So this is a website known as chainlist.org. Chainlist.org. Just visit this website, and once you've opened this website, just connect your wallet to this website. Click on connect wallet, and just like this, I've connected my wallet to this website. And then you just have to click on add to MetaMask, and then your wallet will have this network ready to use. There is no network that's not available on this website. And the last thing is to send and receive cryptocurrency into this wallet. So to send cryptocurrency to any wallet, any exchange or any other wallet, you need to click on send, and then this is a section where you need to paste some address. So for example, this website Binance. So if I have some Ethereum in this exchange and I want to transfer it to my MetaMask wallet, I'm going to go to wallet overview, and then I'm going to go to deposit, because I'm sending some cryptocurrency from MetaMask to this. So I'm going to click on deposit and crypto deposit, and click on Ethereum and add network, select network. So make sure when you are sending and receiving cryptocurrency from one wallet to exchange or exchange to wallet or wherever, your networks should be the same. If your network is not the same, your cryptocurrency will be lost forever. Like, you cannot recover it after that. That's why I was saying that you should make sure that this chainlist.org, you should visit it and add all the networks whichever are commonly used. So Ethereum ERC20 is the network. I choose this one and then copy this address from here and paste it in your MetaMask, and then select the amount of Ethereum you want to send to Binance, and you're done. Similarly is receiving. Here is an address. You need to copy this address. So if you're using Binance, go to Wallet Overview and then go to Fiat Spot Wallet. Select any cryptocurrency and then click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, you just need to paste that wallet address, your MetaMask wallet address, into this address, and the network should be same as always. You can also create more accounts on this same MetaMask wallet. So just click on this right here and then click on create account. If you want to create a second account, just write your account name, whatever you want it to be, and then click on create. And I created my second account. So this was it for the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and write down a comment down below what all videos you want me to make, like all the videos regarding cryptocurrency and NFTs. If you want to see how to create your own NFT collection, I have a video for that too. I can make more videos in detail. So let me know.